Okay, so as you can see, as you exit the bedroom, you are going to enter the bathroom right there on your left. So I'm actually thinking of closing off that door and just opening a door right here in this area. Guess you will have to move that light switch over to more to the left, but that would be a project though for down the road, you know, just to actually make this a master bedroom. That is an option. Size walk-in closet. So let's move closer in, and let me talk about this dresser here first. Have you noticed it is matching the set that I picked up from the antique shop perfectly? This was left by the previous owner, the sellers, and my daughter was using it in this closet, and I asked her if I can have it, and she said sure, you can have it. So this is going to be an additional piece. All right, so as I back up here, we are looking at this box, and I have to tell you, this box is another friend mail, and guess who it's from? Guys, this box has been sitting in here for about 6 weeks. Unfortunately, I haven't had the time to open it, so I'm going to be opening that soon to let you see what it is and who it's from. All right, so I'm going to pan up to let you see some more goodies that I have been collecting, and like I say, I will be sharing them with you as I start to decorate. All right, so I'm going to move in a little closer, and FYI, the clothes in front of your face are not mine. They're my daughter's. But this is basically the last thing that we have to take out. Yeah. Everything else is mine except for the clothes. But as I pan to my left, there's a couple dresses in the corner there. Those are mine that I usually leave here when we were traveling back and forth. But the other ones here to the right is all hers. Okay, and just to let you see, yeah. Okay, so I'm going to move up and I'm going to pan back to the other side where I came in. So you can see the door is right there. And I apologize for the lighting in here as well. It is very poor. Okay. Some of you may recognize those totes up there. This is looking like cork, but my daughter says it's cedar. So yeah, this is going to be addressed down the road as well. All right, so that's it for the closet. All right, so now we're going to head into the other bedroom. And it's also a decent size. Outside. The box you're looking at, some of you might remember, that's the black clock that hubby gave me. And behind that, in the bubble wrap, is the mirror that we had over the fireplace. And behind that is that large, gorgeous mirror from the set from downstairs. So now I'm panning to my left, and this is where the other closet is, and this is where the bifold doors that I'm using in the laundry room to hide the water tank came from. I guess the kids took the doors off the tracks, but this also will be addressed down the road. All right, so I'm going to go in a little closer, and as you can see, more goodies up there, and on the ground are some of my lampshades. Okay, and okay, so this is going to be mostly storage for you know, my decor pieces. So I've decided to share the closet with hubby. Yeah, had to make some compromises because we all do need storage. All right, so I'm going to back up so you can, if I can give you another view angle. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it.